Understanding Family Pride, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, family pride. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can give you deeper insights into English-speaking cultures. Let's dive in. Family pride refers to the feeling of satisfaction, respect, and loyalty that individuals have towards their family. It's about valuing the history, achievements, and qualities of one's family. This phrase encapsulates a sense of belonging and honor associated with one's family background and heritage. In English, family pride is often used in conversations to express respect for family traditions or to discuss the importance of maintaining a good family reputation. It can also come up in discussions about family achievements, like academic success or business accomplishments. 1. Our family pride is evident in how we support each other during tough times. 2. She takes great family pride in continuing her grandmother's charity work. 3. Their family pride is rooted in their cultural heritage and traditions. It's important to note that the concept of family pride can vary between cultures. In some cultures, family pride might be strongly tied to ancestral achievements or family history, while in others, it could be more about current family successes or maintaining family unity. Understanding family pride is not just about learning a phrase, it's about appreciating an aspect of cultural values in English-speaking societies. We hope this explanation helps you in your journey to mastering English. Until next time, keep learning and take pride in your progress.